Hello friends, in today's class we'll discuss homogeneous function and Euler's theorem on homogeneous function. So let's get started. What is homogeneous function? An expression of the form a naught x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 times y plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 times y square and so on is called a homogeneous function. What you need to observe here is here the degree of each term is n. Like in the first term, you have x to the power n. The second term, you have x to the power n minus 1 times y. Y has power 1. So together the degree will be 1. Sorry, degree will be n. Similarly, the third term, the degree is n again and so on. So where each term is nth degree is called a homogeneous function of degree n. This function can be rewritten as by taking x to the power n common. What do we get? A naught plus a1 y by x plus a2 y by x the whole square and so on up to an y by x to the power n. So how we generalize it? We'll say that any function f of x comma y which can be expressed in the form of x to the power n times phi of y by x is called a homogeneous function of degree n in x and y. Okay. Next, we have the Euler's theorem on homogeneous function. Let's see the statement of this theorem. It says if u is a homogeneous function of degree n in x and y, then x times dou u by dou x plus y times dou u by dou y is nu. Okay, let's see the proof of this theorem. To start with, what is the given condition we have? We have the condition as u is homogeneous. Now, if u is a homogeneous function of degree n in x and y, so it can be written as u is equal to x to the power n f of y by x. Now, here we can see we need dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. So, we differentiate this expression partially with respect to x and y. Let's see what do we get. So dou u by dou x, you have x to the power n. Derivative of x to the power n is n times x to the power n minus 1 f of y by x as it is plus x to the power n as it is. Now we differentiate f of y by x. So derivative of f of y by x is f dash of y by x times y times minus 1 by x square. Remember, we are differentiating partially with respect to x. So y need to be treated as constant. Your derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. And you must have observed that we have used product rule of differentiation to get this result. Okay. Now we'll simplify this. So what do we get? N times x to the power n minus 1 f of y by x minus y times x to the power n minus 2 f dash of y by x. Okay. Similarly, we can write dou u by dou y. Okay. We need to treat x as a constant here. So only the function f of y by x need to be differentiated. X to the power n will remain as it is. Derivative of f of y by x is 1 f dash of y by x times derivative of y by x will be 1 by x. Okay. So this is the final result we get. We are simplifying this x and this x to the power n. So we get x to the power n minus 1 f dash of y by x. Now multiply the first equation with x and the second equation dou u by dou y by y and add these two. If you add, you get n times x to the power n f of y by x. And what is n times f of y by x? It is u. Okay, so that's how we get the result of Euler's theorem. Remember, we have proved the result for two variables, but this result can be extended to n variables. So like Here you can see in general, if u is a homogeneous function of degree n in x, y, z, t, and so on, then x times dou u by dou x plus y times dou u by dou y plus z times dou u by dou z and so on will still be equal to nu. Okay, hope you have understood the theorem. Now let's see how to solve the problems using Euler's theorem. Here you can see we have the function u is equal to x cube plus y cube root divided by root of x minus y, and we need to prove that ux is dou u by dou x. So x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equal to 5 by 2 times u. Okay, this also can be written as x times ux plus y uy is equal to 5 by 2u. Okay, so you can prove it in the normal way by differentiating u with respect to x and then with respect to y and adding. But using Euler's theorem, this problem become very simple. Let's see how. We need to first look at u and find out the degree of this term. What is the degree of numerator we have? Degree of numerator is 3. Let me write down on the side. Degree of numerator is 3. Degree of denominator, we have got root, and inside the root, the power of x and y is 1. But since outside we have root, the degree of denominator is half. So to get the degree of u, we need to subtract degree of numerator by the degree of denominator. So 3 minus half will give us 5 by 2. That's how we get the degree of the given function. Now let's apply the Euler's theorem. What is Euler's theorem? Xux plus yuy is equal to nu. And here just substitute the value of n what we have got. Okay, so we get x times dou u by dou x plus y times dou u by dou y is equal to, the value of n is 5 by 2, 5 by 2. Hope you have understood this. Now let's see another problem where u won't be homogeneous. Let's see this one. Here you can see u is equal to sine inverse of x square plus y square divided by x plus y. And they're asking us to prove that x times dou u by dou x plus y times dou u by dou y is equal to tan u. Okay. Now here the first step you can see we got sine inverse here. So sine inverse is not a homogeneous function. So first what we do is we'll shift this sine inverse on the other side. Okay, so and we call that as f of u. So if you shift sine inverse on the LHS, we get sine u is equal to x square plus y square divided by x plus y. So what do we get here? F of u, which is x square plus y square by x plus y. This is a homogeneous function. Okay, what is the degree of numerator? Degree of numerator is 2, degree of denominator is 1. So finally, the degree of f of u will be 2 minus 1, which is 1. Okay, now we have a modified form of Euler's theorem that says xux plus yuy is equal to n times f of u by f dash of u. This result of Euler's theorem we apply when u is not homogeneous, but f of u is a homogeneous function of degree n. Okay, so let's apply this. What do we get? Our f of u here is sine u. Derivative of sine u is cos u. So f dash of u is cos u. We can write x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equal to 1. N is 1 here. 1 times sine u by cos u. Sine by cos is tan, and this is how we prove the result. Thank you.